Are you looking for a quick way to create high-converting ad copy without the hassle of brainstorming or testing multiple variations? In this video, I'll show you how to use AdCreative AI for AI-powered ad copywriting and how it can help you save time while improving your ad performance. AdCreative AI is a powerful tool that uses machine learning to generate ad copy based on the goals you set. Whether you're running Facebook ads, Google ads, or even banner ads, this software takes your input and turns it into persuasive, ready-to-use text for your campaigns. If you're new to this, it might sound like magic, but it's all based on analyzing data from successful ads and applying that knowledge to craft copy that resonates with your target audience. What sets AdCreative AI apart is how it leverages AI to optimize your ad copy instantly. You don't have to waste time coming up with endless versions of your ad copy. With a few clicks, you get multiple options that are tailored to your business goals, and the AI continues to learn from performance data, improving the ads over time. This is a game changer for digital marketers who want to scale their campaigns without getting bogged down in the details. To get started, all you have to do is sign up for an account. From there, you enter the product or service you're advertising, specify your goals, whether it's to increase sales, generate leads, or raise brand awareness, and AdCreative AI will instantly suggest creative ideas. You can customize these ads, tweak the language or tone, and then test them across various platforms. The process is incredibly user-friendly. You don't need a degree in copywriting or a lot of experience to use this software effectively. But even if you're a seasoned pro, the AI-powered insights will take your ads to the next level. It's perfect for anyone looking to automate the ad creation process while still maintaining quality and relevance. One of the coolest features of AdCreative AI is its integration with social media ad platforms. It automatically adjusts the ad copy according to the platform you're using. So, if you're creating ads for Instagram, Facebook, or Google, the software tailors the tone, length, and style for each platform. This saves you the time and effort of reformatting your content manually. But wait, there's more. At the end of this video, I'll show you how you can get an exclusive free trial to AdCreative AI with extra bonuses. That's right, you'll have access to all the features for free and can see how this AI-powered ad copywriting tool can improve your campaigns. So if you've been struggling to create high-performing ads or simply want to save time, AdCreative AI is the solution you've been waiting for. Don't miss out on the opportunity to take your ad campaigns to the next level. Check out the link below for our exclusive offer and start using AdCreative AI for free today. Remember, AI-powered ad copywriting is the future. You don't want to be left behind. AdCreative AI is here to help you unlock your ad's full potential, and it's easier than you think.